if you want to do a business, it doesn't matter if it's literally consulting, e-commerce, or I don't know, starting your own restaurant, or even being an Uber driver, to be honest. It doesn't matter. Why? Because you need credit cards. Okay, you need access to credit whenever your money is kind of stuck in purgatory. Okay, this happens a lot. You got a wire coming in, you're cashing a check, you're waiting on a payment. Even if you work as an employee, you get weekly payouts once a week or maybe once a month or bi-weekly, and then boom, there's a holiday, I don't know, boom, there's a bank strike or something, boom, your bank account has been locked while you're in the Cuba. What do you do? I don't know, right? What do you do? So not only for business owners, but I think business owners more than just regular average Joes, but even average Joes too. If you think about it, when you have access to credit, one, you get a long grace period, okay? 21 days. Some credit cards now have like 50 or 60. And it's also free within the billing period. So it's like if you do it on the earliest day, that's like 30 days within that billing period. Let's say if you do on January 1st till, the 30th plus 21 days after that, it's free to borrow it, okay? And usually in these situations that you're stuck in, it's like capital that usually isn't that's going to hurt you. Okay. What I'm trying to say, it's going to be relative. In the beginning, maybe your business needs like $5,000 due to this issue or something, or you got this, you purchased this thing and you're waiting on money to come in, or someone bought something. Okay. $5,000. You borrowing $5,000 for, let's say, 60 days after the grace period still won't hurt you. Okay. You got to be you got to be understanding that you're going to do relative borrowing. So it's like, let's say, rent is due and you can't pay because the bank is on holidays right now and your payment is on the end of the month anyways. So you literally have 14 more days to wait out, but you don't have the money. You don't have the money to pay. You don't want to get a strike. You don't want to have any issues with the landlord. What do? You can pay with your credit card. Worst case scenario, let's say if you have to do a cash advance, whatever, you do a cash advance. Cash advance at 20% for 15-day wait is absolutely nothing. You got to understand that. It's 20% divided by 365, okay? 20% divided by 365 days a year times the amount of days you borrow. So 15 days times that tiny percentage, okay, is like nothing. You're paying a couple like dollars at that point. So when you do relative borrowing, let's say you got to pay a couple $100, a couple $1,000, it's fine because you have the cash flow for it.